Hey everyone, I'm Sarah with WTI. Does your home gym need the addition of a pull-up assist? This pull-up assist with resistance bands makes it easy for you to adjust and adapt the level of support that you need at any training stage. Because it comes with removable elastic tubes, each one of those tubes adds 60 pounds of support. So you can literally add or take away just depending on where you are at your stage of training or how much support you might need. It's easy to assemble, it's lightweight, and it attaches to your pull-up bar very easily. And again, you can adjust it to whatever length you need it to be. My husband likes it specifically because it has a wide foot support. So if you want to use one foot or both feet, it's very easy to do that, and you can adjust even while you're doing your pull-ups. He really likes that. So whatever your level of training might be, if you have a pull-up bar in your home gym and you want to add an assist, this one works well because it is going to be adaptable to whatever support you need. It has this wide place for your feet, so you can use 1 or 2 feet. And the fact that it adjusts easily at your for your length means that different people can use the same home gym and utilize this pull-up assist. So whatever your needs are, if you need a pull-up assist that's lightweight and adaptable, I highly recommend this one. It's really worked out for us in our home gym, and that is my point of view.